Shannon sent me the agenda to come in and do the in-office training on Invisalign and just enhancement of my practice. I expected a lot, and when I saw the agenda, it met all my expectations. I mean, Shannon mentioned to us, based on this training, we're going to go up another 20% in production. I think we're going to go up another 30%, but that 20% is something that is definitely attainable. But her and her team exceeded my expectations, definitely.
We need three things to move teeth. We need pressure, we need time, and we need space. And sometimes we create space by expanding the arches, or sometimes by getting a little room in between.
Because I really want to hear what other people have to say. And you think, well, I already know that, or I know how to do my job. I've been here for a long time. I can do it. You're like, yeah, but if you did this, and sometimes we just listen again. It's kind of weird to say, you know what? You're right. I will try that.
She's awesome. She's always been awesome. But her and her team exceeded my expectations, definitely.